For the girls.
Yeah, bring something to the girls. But I don't know that you're coming through the dancehall thing right now.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the type of
Yeah.
energy that is pushing right outside
True, for years, you know?
in a time
Yeah,
like now.
yeah,
So you decided to do this one. Why
yeah.
not did a love song or a love song?
You do all of them?
We do everything. We have love songs, man. You know, singles behind singles are come out now, man. You know?
Oh, it's coming out now.
Yeah, everything will come out right
No,
now.
what I'm saying,
Yeah.
why not did that one?
Oh,
Just so listen to it. It's
oh.
your field because you're the person who's doing these songs.
Yeah,
So that is what come to you to do.
yeah. But this production, the Pushback Rhythm, produced by D. Thomas, you know, from New York, you know. Yeah, it's just that vibe because you have that. Yeah, you know, big artists on the rhythm scene, Mova, the Egyptian, Alba Rose is super hype. You know, all the Calypso artists, you know, artists from New York. I'm the youngest artist still, the underdog, you know. They never expect that one, but, you know, yeah. Yeah.
It's still going on. You just have to start somewhere, but you're starting coming up with into the dancehall. The thing that is going on, you're moving in the direction that what is happening right now
Yeah.
into the dancehall, the type of thing that's going on.
Yeah.
So you're following the trend.
Which is right. Yeah.
You're just following the trend.
No, we just add to the trend still, cause you know. Yeah.
What is one harder to do?
Yeah, I follow. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you didn't do music. What make you think yourself? What make you decide to do this one?
Well, as I was saying, it was like, you know, the producer was talking to him, you know, one day, and he was like, you know, the vibe, or the rhythm, or how he created it, it was like, you know, he want a girl song, you know, something with, yeah. So yeah. So,
something that when I call now, the young people more cling to. They're more
yeah.
cling.
Yeah, for real, yeah.
You understand the part of it.
Yeah.
So you were talking to the producer. So this really, was it made in New York?
Yeah.
In New York.
D. Thomas music, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So he's a producer.
Yeah, New York. Yeah, him come Jamaica and promote him songs. Have, you know, put the artists in point
Well, I
and
tell you,
thing.
most of the people across the world, man, is that they have such a Jamaican thing.
Yeah, for real, yeah.
Okay, must say, why you have to dig a yard before you go.
Ah, see that? Yeah.
So it's dead. So we just have to just follow the trend there.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
definitely.
So, with this song here now, you wrote the song recently or just recently? Or you had it in mind before you got in touch with this producer?
I had it before.
You had it
You know, yeah, I have portions of songs, you know, portions. I had it before. You know, and I got the rhythm, you email the rhythm and say, yo, you go on the road, you know?
So you just decided, alright then, this is the time to do this.
Yeah, the right time, you know, have it, you know, put on and thing. Yeah.
So how long now since you
About a year now of the song, you know?
going on? That's how these things work.
Yeah, for real, yeah, man.
Sometimes when you have these things for a long while, these are the good ones.
Yeah,
It's not something that you hurry come up with.
for real.
For a longer while.
Yeah,
Reserve.
yeah, I want to big up Daddy Mix, you know, cause I him really sit down and, you know, with me and Daddy and I say, yo, you come voice a song here like twice. Yeah, more than one time.
That's how you stay now.
Yeah. Same says a hit song, you know, more than one time. We do it and we have to do it over again.
That's how you stay. That man like to see what they
Yeah,
do.
perfection,
And
eh?
there's so many different artists that pass through that experience.
Yeah.
And telling you
Yeah.
that you always try to help, especially young artists that is coming up.
Yeah, him that tell me to them, man. A lot of artists pass through, man. Him that tell me, you know, cause without, you know, yeah.
You always
For
try to
real.
help young artists. Telling you right.
Yeah, for real. And enough of them big now, too. Come on, yeah.
You actually have them, man.
Yeah, majority.
And most of the top artists that come from Warsaw.
Yeah, for real.
Big groups that
Mhm.
come from Warsaw.
Yeah, man.
As the king of dance.
Baby Sham, RDX, Paledo.
All of the big artists.
Yeah, him tell, yeah, to the worries about it, you know.
So that's the way it goes.
Yeah,
So he's telling me, I'm going to touch back this one.
yeah.
Can I club it is?
Head top, you know. Wine for me. Some for the girls, you know.
Okay, here we go one more time.
You want me, yeah. Yo, Thomas. Get him a love, we know. Sit down and wine for me. Take time and wine for me. Bubble up your waistline and wine for me. Show me emotion in a big like the sea. Sit down and